Boys and girls, good morning! Welcome to our
Healthy Kitchen!
Yes, ang akong mga kauban karon ang mga kids diri sa MVC. Say hi to them, kids! Hi! Say hi! Say hi! Alright, can you introduce your name to them? Ate first.
Hi, my name is Easy.
Haven't kuya?
Hi, my name is Bibo. Hi,
My name is... Yes, say hi to the Vicky. Hi!
Hi.
How old are you, Yuki? 3? Wow, very good. 3 pa lang si Yuki. But, oh, good job guys, Yuki. Yes, today, we're going to make cucumber lemonade. Naka-try na mo, anak kids?
No.
Did you taste it already? Okay, we will try this. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. First, we will introduce our ingredients.
Water.
Yes, this is water.
Cucumber.
Very good.
Lemon.
And then,
Honey.
oh, very good. So first, we will cut our cucumber.
Okay.
We will try to cut. Auntie, ito lang. Okay.
Okay.
I already washed it, huh? And then, we're going to cut it.
Wow.
Okay. Can you put here the cucumber? Oh, mag-help po si Yuki. Very good. And of course, our
Lemon.
Okay.
Wow.
Can you squeeze it? Here. Like this, oh.
Oh no, I'm squeezing out the seed.
Oh, do not include the seed.
No, oops.
Oh, we'll remove it. Oh, very good guys. Si Yuki, oh. Gi-squeeze, giniyag maayo ang atong lemon. Alright. And then, we will put our honey.
Yay.
That's enough? More? More?
Yeah, a bit.
A little bit. Okay, and then of course our water.
Okay. Okay, that's enough. Then we'll blend it. Put it in there.
Cover first.
So it won't have to shoot around. Now you easy. Your turn.
Okay,
3, 2, 1.
go.
Okay.
We will taste first. Can you try first, ate, if it's done? Okay. It's okay?
Yummy.
Very good.
Yummy.
How about the
Yummy.
sweetness? It's just right.
Put it in the cup. Just a little bit. Super yummy. But taste it.
Okay.
It is.
Is it okay?
Yes.
How about this? The sweetness.
Tastes like yummy. Super yummy.
Wow,
Tastes like
yummy.
gummies.
Tastes like gummies?
Tastes very
How
good.
about you? Do you like it? Say approve like this, kids. This is yummy.
This is yummy.
And try it at home.
And try it at home.
Very good. Mommy and daddies, please try this. Okay? It's very healthy, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Until next time, kids. Bye-bye.
Bye.